For years, FUJIFILM in Tilburg has combined Japanese quality with a no-nonsense Dutch approach. On a site occupying 60 hectares, 800 employees work in the fields of production, R&D, and supply chain management. FUJIFILM started producing photographic paper in 1982. Aside from traditional prints, this photographic paper is also used for example, photo albums. More than a third of all photo prints worldwide originate from photographic paper produced in the factory in Tilburg. We regularly introduce new innovations in the field of photographic paper. A recent example is paper with the appearance of canvas. Since 1991, FUJIFILM in Tilburg is producing offset plates for the printing industry. In the largest offset plate factory in the world, we process aluminum into plates, which are used to print newspapers, magazines, or packaging material. The factory produces over 3,000 different end products. FUJIFILM develops innovative offset plates which are highly valued worldwide, combining quality, productivity, environmental performance, and economic efficiency. Effective cooperation with the entire chain enables FUJIFILM to achieve a highly efficient production process. In the factories, large rolls of raw material are processed, coated, and finished in accordance with the customer's requirements. Products then move to the distribution center. Tilburg is home to the European Central Supply Chain Organization. From the distribution center, products are delivered to Europe, Africa, and Asia. In 1988, FUJIFILM in Tilburg started producing film rolls. This factory was closed in 2006 as a result of digitization. A difficult phase, but this also offered new opportunities. The knowledge and experience of photographic products gave us a head start in developing new products. We are experts in the field of functional materials for separation and purification. FUJIFILM is developing, for example, membranes. Membranes are very fine filters that are used for purifying gases or water. In the Tilburg Research Laboratory, over 100 employees work on new technologies and products. An example is the development of artificial gelatin for medical applications. The European Open Innovation Hub displays the technologies of FUJIFILM worldwide. Here, with other parties, we look for opportunities for new business. Sustainability is paramount in all FUJIFILM's activities. The electricity of the production facility is powered entirely by wind energy. We purify water ourselves. The site has a treatment plant where the wastewater of FUJIFILM and 3 of its neighbors is purified to keep both the environment and the company healthy. FUJIFILM is proud of its employees who continuously focus on improvement and innovation, on valuable new products and new markets. This explains FUJIFILM's global slogan, Value from Innovation.